Yo, what up YouTube? It's a boy DJ 90 aka Master Keys aka DJ 90 Keys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Yeah guys, so today we'll be starting something new. We'll be doing a new thing. Today we'll be starting a new series called the beat breakdown series. So this is the first episode of the beat breakdown series. This is a series where I'll be breaking down each and every beat that I've made, which is not from scratch beat, or like maybe some beat I made like long time ago. Then I'm gonna be breaking them down, how I made this one and all that. So I'll be posting that series, those episodes each and every Tuesday. So on Friday we'll be posting our normal video, which is a video starting from scratch, where we do a beat from scratch. Then on Tuesday we'll be posting a beat breakdown. So here is where I'll be posting any beat. I'm not really concerned about the genre. Every genre I'll be posting it, as long as I feel like it will be informative for you guys to learn something in there. Then I'll be posting that beat. It's a breakdown beat, so it's the one that we are doing today. So without any waste of time, let's get into this video. I want to show you how I made this kind of beat, right? So let's get into it. Okay guys, so let's start with drums. Let's cover drums first, then I'll go to melodies. I have my kick right here, so this is how my kick sound like. Yeah, that's how it sound like. Then from there I have my rim shot. It sound like this. Yeah, that's the rim shot. Then I have a snare here. It sound like this. Yeah, that's how my snare sound like. And then we have a conga. This is a conga drum. It sound like this. Yeah. Yeah, so that's how my conga sound like. Then I have another conga also. It sound like this. Yeah, that's it. Then I have my bongo drum. This is how my bongo drum sound like. Yeah, just simple guys, we kept it simple. Yeah, from there I have another bongo, also simple. This is how it sound like. Yeah, that's how it goes. Then from there I have this another snare drum. This is, it sound like this. Yeah, so this is like this beat has like two section kind of vibe. So we have that first that goes with that kick. Then we have this one, which is that snare kind of rim shot, which goes with this kick right here. It's a 4-step kick. Yeah, just like that. So that section, the whole of that section, it sound like this. Is yeah, that section. Then the first section, it sound like this. Yeah. Then from there I have a shaker, because you all know guys, this is afrobeat. So afrobeat, you gotta have shaker. So I have this shaker right here. Yeah, Then I also have another kind of shaker. These are the ones I combined, these two shakers right here, so together they sound like this. Yeah, it just put a vibe like in the beat. So together with that shaker, the three of them, they sound like this. You know, it's a vibe already. Yeah, so that's how actually it goes. Then I have in terms of instruments, now I have this piano which I played. It's a simple piano thing, no complication stuff. So a sound is, it's a Keyzone Classic plugin. You can find it on Google. I think it's a free plugin. You just have to download it there and install. So it sounds like this. Yeah, that's how it sounds like. Of course, I mixed it nicely so it can sound a little bit better. Then from there I have my organ right here. It's a sound from Purity. Even this one is a free plugin, you can get it on Google. So the preset, it's accordion 2, so it's like a sound I love using also. So it sounds like this. Yeah, so of course I mixed it a lot of reverb, a lot of delay, so it can sound good. So from there I have this clarinet sound. It's from it's a free plugin. It comes with FL Studio. It's a stock plugin. It's a morphine, right? So you just have to locate morphine, then you go to preset here, you go to brass and wind, and here is it, clarinet sound. So it's the one that I use. So it sounds like this. This is a sound that plays from, it's like a simple sound which it gives a lot of vibe to the beat. So it sounds like this. Yeah, just like that, nothing crazy, is just like that. Then I have my strings right here. So those who are following my beats, they know that most of times I love using one string because it sounds good. So it's a string from Purity. This is the plugin v.ana string 2 is the one I love using. It just sounds good. So this is how it sounds like. Yeah, I mixed it, a lot of reverb in there. Yeah, then I also have this sound, a diggy vibe sound. I also love using this one on afrobeat because it put that African element sound, right? So it's a sound from Purity. Here's the sound, diggy vibe. You go to bells and peck, and it's diggy vibe 3 is the one that I love using. So it sounds like this. Yeah, just like that, nothing too hectic, simple as that. Okay, I have a bass guitar right here. It's a bass, I think it's a sound from Purity. Let's check. Yeah, it's a sound from Purity. Then you go to bass guitars and it's eBass08. I love using this one also. It have that motion into it, so I love that. So this is how the bass sound like. Yeah, so the goal with the bass guitar and this sound is to make sure that the bass does not like stay on a one place, because it's a bass. It needs a movement. You need to be doing something like on a bass so that you can give a vibe to the beat, so that it doesn't like, you know, stay one place. So the beat is kind of vibey like and all that. So yeah, that's what you do with the bass guitar. And from there I have this is a sound that it's holding the whole beat. This is a sound that makes this beat to be this beat. I love this sound. So this, it's a guitar, it's a nylon guitar something. It's a sound from Hypersonic. So it's nylon finger acoustic guitar. I love this sound a lot. Like when you mix it nicely, it sound good. It sound good. So this is how the sound like. Yeah, that's how it sound like. It sound good, guys. I just love that sound. I love that sound a lot. And I think those are the sound. We have this tag, my tag. So once you hear this sound, you just know that I'm the one who created the beat. It's my tag, DJ 90 speed. It sound like this.
DJ 90 speed.
Yeah, that's how it sound like. So I think that's the whole beat. We covered the whole beat. So let me play this beat for you so you can hear how it sound like with everything that we did. So yeah, it sound like this, guys.
DJ 90 speed.
Yeah guys, so that completes our first episode of beat breakdown series, a series which we just started. So guys, that's how I made this kind of beat, a simple afro beat, no more complication, just simple as that. I feel like even you guys can do this sound. It's simple as that. So guys, thank you for watching the video, thank you for supporting the channel, and you can go ahead and like, share, comment and subscribe. And guys, I'll see you into another video. I'm DJ 90 and I'm out. Peace.